Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here on a Sunday afternoon, getting out to my studio and, relaxing a little bit. I've had company all week. My daughter's down with her kids and we've been doing family activities. So they're off boating today and I've decided to come out here to my studio to relax and make some YouTubes. I got this this week in the mail. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. My channel's growing. I'm getting more subscribers. Thanks everybody who subscribed to my channel, and if you're here for the first time, welcome, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I do all kinds of things. So but anyway, I purchased this portable painter. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get this, and I'm gonna post this on my Instagram, and I'm gonna put an unusual palette in this. This is really tiny. It's really nifty. It comes in this really nice suede bag to carry it in. So if your paint's wet a little bit and don't want it to leak on anything else in your travel palette, you don't have to. You can keep it nice in this. I took it out and thought, well, I can figure out how to put this together, but I wasn't so successful. So I had to open these directions, and it shows you how. I'm funny that way. So anyway, you take this out. It has 6 half pans in it, and I believe that they're custom to this palette. You can take these out, and I did, and I can't get them out now. They got a little glue dot on the bottom. Oh goodness gracious. But anyway, they come out, and you could put a half pan, but they don't fit, or a full pan in place of 2 half pans, but they don't fit real snug like I'd like them. And these fit real snug, so I'm gonna leave it like this. That's my decision. You don't have to. You can put a glue dot on a half. And the portable painter website might sell some. I'm not for sure. I haven't looked. So here you can set this up in a variety of different ways. And there's this little thumb ring on the bottom, but it's not something you put your thumb, you just hang on to it. So I chose to hold it with my thumb like this and then put my finger around it. So I'm going to fill these with a unusual palette. I'm going to start off with buff titanium and put it in this first one because I want a little something opaque to mix with other paints. And that is a good all-around color if I wanted to take this to the beach with me, or that makes good rock colors. And then I'm going to use nickel azo yellow, and I chose this color instead of yellow ochre or Hansa or cadmium because it moves well into other colors. It just is like a light bulb going off. So then I'm going to choose Rhodonite Genuine. This is a Daniel Smith Primatek color. I really, really like it. I did some tests, and I can make a really nice red with it, with adding a little bit of nickel azo yellow, and I can make some creamy pinks with it if I mix it with buff titanium, and I can make some really nice purples with it, with Mayan Blue. So next I'm going to go Mayan Blue Genuine, and I like the granulation of it too. And this is another Primatek Mayan Blue Genuine. And I wanted to keep my palette really limited, but I wanted to have a lot of granulating colors, and I wanted to have a color that moved really well. Okay, and then I'm going to go to, instead of sap green, I'm going to go with jadeite green. And this is a Primatek color. I like the Primatek colors. I know there's a lot of controversy out there, but I think they're really, really nice. And then for a brown, I'm going to go with this Hematite Genuine. And it's a blackish brown. Okay, so I'll swatch them out. I'll swatch them out with this little brush. I'm going to start with Buff Titanium. We'll swatch it. And it's just a real sandy color. I really like it. I really like it. In place of white for mixing, I really like this one. It's a really great color. And here is Nickel Azo Yellow. It'll go on. You can get it in its mass tone, and you can really brighten it up. And when you drop it into other colors, it just really moves. I really like that. Okay, and here's Rhodonite Genuine. Really lovely pink. But I can take it over here. And if I added a little bit of, just a teeny tiny bit of, well, that's more of an orange, but if I added too much, I added too much Nickel Azo Yellow. So I'll add a little bit more Rhodonite Genuine, and I can get a good red. So it's quite versatile color. So I like that about it. Okay, and then here's Mayan Blue Genuine. That is really, really pretty. And then if I add that with Rhodonite Genuine, I get a really lovely purple. So I'm really enjoying these colors. So, and then I'll take a little bit of Titan Buff and mix it with that, and you can see how lovely peachy color I can get with that. I really like that. And the next one is Jadeite Green. Let's take it up here. Jadeite Green. And then Hematite Genuine. That's more black. So, and it's really granulating. So I can take this hematite genuine, or this jadeite green, and add some rhodonite, and then add a little bit of yellow. Get some more rhodonite, and you just keep mixing until you get a brown. There we go. Oh, that's just like a chocolate brown. That's beautiful. So I can get all the colors I want, and then if I wanted a really dark black, I could even take some of that Mayan blue and add into there. That's more of a sepia color, and that's pretty too. So this is a very versatile palette. I really like that hematite genuine. I like that granulation that comes with it. So, alright, that's my portable palette that I'm going to take. And what I did, I'll set this out to dry for a few days. And then I found a little zipper pouch, and I just picked this up at Hobby Lobby, or I don't know where I picked it up, somewhere. And then I've added my etchr sketchbook and an old eyeglass case. Let me zoom out. Eyeglass case, and in it is a water brush, an ink pen, a white gel pen, a spritzer, a paper towel, a mechanical pencil, a black Pentel pen, a credit card scraper for grasses or anything, a travel brush, and a tortilla, blending tortilla. Let me put that on the thing so you can see it. And this is just a travel brush that I picked up on Amazon, I think. It was real cheap. It's not the best, but and it's synthetic, and it works really well. It's a number 8. It's just off one of those Amazon brands, and it works really well in drawing leaves, some flowers, petals, branches, and it holds a decent amount of water, enough for this little sketchbook. And I think that's it. So when I pack it all up, and you wouldn't have to use something like this, you could just take you could just put them in there loose. Put a rubber band around it. Oh yeah, and I put a little washi tape on there too to make borders. I like to make borders. Put that in there. Put that in there. And then my portable palette will fit inside its pouch when it dries out. So that's it. That's a nice little palette. I'm going to just keep that in my car. I took my other one and put it at another location that I have. So these are Daniel Smith Professional Watercolors in my portable palette, portable painter micro palette. So yeah, If you like these kinds of videos, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.